MySQL.com. I'm your host Rudolph, and today I'm going to teach you how to repair a broken power jack on a Toshiba laptop. So, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage, kick your feet up, and enjoy the show.
Alright, while we're recording, the camera's going to be at a distance, so I just want to give you a close look at the inside of the laptop before we start recording, because I'm going to be at a distance. So, just want to show you that the top panel has 3 ribbons, one right here, plug right there, and a ribbon right there. So I'm just going to take that off right there. That slides out. I already have them slid out. And we're gonna take that out right there. We're gonna remove that. And our main focus is the power jack. And this is how it loops around the board. The inside. Around right there. It's under right there. Also, make sure you keep your fan clean as well. I like to use some Ultra Duster. Get that at Walmart or Best Buy. Favorite retailer, wherever you go. But I just want to let you know what a close-up of the board looks like. You're going to put your ribbon right here to your keyboard. That's where your keyboard ribbon goes. So well, that's about it. Let's get started.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Today what we're going to do is we are going to repair this Toshiba laptop. Now the problem with it is whenever you take this cord and you plug it in, it's a little shaky. Common problem, right? Now, not only is that the problem, we get no power. You can come over for a second. Get no power to it. So what I did was I took the liberty and went on good old eBay and bought a power jack. This will run you about $8.99 on eBay. Came in a nice little dainty package. Took it to a computer shop and they told me that they would charge me $80 to repair this, but if I could do it myself, it'd be about 10 bucks. Well, got it for a little bit cheaper than that. So I decided to do a little tutorial and show you how to repair a power jack. I took the liberty that I also take out the screws from the bottom to save you some time. So we got our screws right here. And the only thing we have to do is dismantle the top board right here. So let's get started. All right. First thing we're going to do is take this top keyboard strip off the top. Make sure you be careful not to crack any of the cosmetics. All right. Let's set this on my bed right here. Then take, you can come a little bit closer over here. 4 screws right there. I'll try to be a little quick for video purposes. Put a light on that.
take our screws and put it on here. Here. And over here. There we go. Number 4. Important not to lose the screws. Okay. Put this up. And put a little big guy over there. At the bottom right here, I'm gonna undo this ribbon and take our time. Slide that out the way. And now we got our keyboard out the way. Put a keyboard right here. I'll take this. This top part off up here. Alright, so as you can see right here, we have the black wire, which is severed, and this is the reason why we're not getting any power to our laptop. So what we're going to do is we just took this out of the Toshiba. We're going to put our brand new power jack cord in there. Alright, so let's get started. Talked to the repair guy at the computer shop and said if I just pack some paper behind there, it'll be just fine. For stability purposes. That way when I plug it in, I don't have too many issues. Now we got everything in there. Tight. And the good part is, if you come, you take a look at the power. I'm gonna test this out and see. If you can see that, you could have. Well, let's just do it like this. Comes on. Okay, plug everything in. Well, the RJ. Keyboard's not plugged in. Big duh, set a dull moment. The keyboard is working, and plug it in. Baby. Okay, now let's try it. Now we're on now. Okay. So now it comes on. This is just to make sure I don't put everything back together and it doesn't work. Okay. It's the only reason why I put this keyboard back on. Screws back in. Put a strip back on. See now, which way does this go? Let's see. The other way. These things are a little tricky. Let's see. All right, there we go. Okay, let's flip her over. Before I do, make sure the keyboard works. Alright, so if you can come over here for a second. I'm gonna make sure I'm going to hard drive back in. Okay, just want to make sure everything is working out like it's supposed to. And I'll put the screws in after I make sure. Yep. Everything is functioning properly. Is resuming, and only thing we have to do is put the screws back in, and it's a done deal. So I'm not gonna butcher you with that. I know you don't want to watch me screw everything back in, but just in case you want to know how to put a power jack in, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
Are you tired of searching through a mountain of resumes for a high-quality business and IT professional only to come up empty-handed? Well, your search stops here. Meet Rudolph Stone. He has 10 years of experience in the IT and business industry, not to forget his arsenal of skills. Rudolph not only brings a wealth of experience to the table, he also has a bachelor's degree in business informatics to make things all the more sweet. You can view videos of Rudolph in the video portfolio section of the site to see him performing his skills right before your eyes. So after taking a look at a professional like Rudolph, I'm sure you're just dying to see his full resume, right? Well, no problem. Just click on the Download Rudolph's Resume button to download his full resume and see all of his extensive experience and more. You can view it in infographic form or plain text. Want to contact Rudolph? Use the contact form at the bottom of the site, and he'll get back with you within 24 hours or less. So make the right choice. Hire Rudolph.